This multi-purpose space from Wellborn Cabinet takes a mudroom and combines it with a gardening and potting station, a pet room, and a laundry area. Wellborn Cabinet's shaker-style Hanover door is finished in our brand new ash stain that shows the detail of the wood grain while featuring a mid-tone trending gray. In order to achieve a cohesive polished look, matching end panels cap off the upper and base portions of the right side of the cabinetry. Also, Wellborn Cabinet's applied door option was utilized on the left end of the cabinet to match the door in front. The simple small cove crown molding, simple bead edge molding, and an added filler piece stacked together to create a flush finish to the ceiling. Making the most out of this corner space is Wellborn Cabinet's 3-tiered rotating shelf. No longer will items get lost in the back corner of a cabinet. With this shelf, gardening and pet supplies are simple to organize and easy to reach. LED strip lighting is installed above the tiled pet bath and potting area, as well as in all the rest of the cabinetry. Ergonomically designed, this raised large basin tile sink eliminates the need to squat or bend over when washing your pet or potting plants. The cabinets above the pet wash area are decorative door fronts finished with chicken wire mesh. The interior of each of these cabinets is finished with sandstone contrasting beadboard to complete the farmhouse chic look. The same chicken wire mesh is also used on the kennel area in what would normally be a blind corner cabinet. With an opening on the side and a U-draw-it functional door on the end, this makes the perfect bedtime area for your pet. Below the sink area, we installed a pull-out towel bar, as well as a superior under-sink single caddy pull-out. This space pulls out all the stops to make mealtime for your pet simple and convenient. This pet feeding center holds pet food and accessories. A convenient toe kick feeder slides out to reveal a space for your pet to eat and drink. With a simple push, it slides back under the cabinet, making this space neat and clean again. Keeping your pet happy and healthy promotes a healthy life for you as well, and knowing that everything you need is right at your fingertips for virtually any hobby you may enjoy is an added bonus for this beautiful room. For more information on this and other Wellborn products, please visit our website at www.wellborn.com.